Okay, so if you want to make money with Cashapp, you have to click this application, or you have to go to Google, download this application, Cashapp. Let me click on it. So it is now loading Cashapp. So in the Cashapp, there are several tasks that you can perform. Several tasks that you can perform. Number one, you can do offers. These are surveys that you can do. We have games, questions that you have to complete, answer the questions, and then you'll be able to earn. The other way you can earn money on Cashapp is by inviting your friends. So if I click here, if I click where it says, invite here, I click there, I'll be able to generate a link. So how do I generate a link? So here it says 100 plus credits per friend that joins with your referral code. So your referral code is going to appear where there are green numbers here. That is where your referral code is going to appear. So my referral code is 24279N. So in order for you to earn via referring someone, you have to click where it says invite. So you click. So this is going to redirect you to either WhatsApp, an SMS, or Facebook. So the moment you click on any one of these, it's going to generate a link. So for example, I've clicked on WhatsApp. And let me invite someone. I've clicked on one of my friends, and then let us see what is going to appear here. Okay, so this is what appears on your screen below here. So what you're going to do is you're only going to get that URL, the URL below there. So here's what you are going to do. You press like that, and then copy. So you're basically going to copy here, okay, so you're going to copy just wait a minute. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to copy this part. I can't show it exactly how to do, but all you need to do is that you have to copy this part, the last part, which is the URL. So you're going to press let go, and then copy that URL. In my case, I'll click here on top, there on top. So I'll be able to copy like that. After doing that, I've got now the referral link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share that referral link either on Facebook, on YouTube, WhatsApp, or wherever. Now I'm going to go back to the Cashapp, the application for cash, or the Cashapp itself. So let me go back to the application. Okay, so I'm back to the application. We've talked about several ways of earning on this app. One, is by doing the service. As you click on your bottom left hand corner, that's where you find the service. All you have to do is click on one, then you're going to follow the instructions that you are going to be shown, and then if you follow those instructions, you'll be able to earn points, which is going to be converted into money at the end of the day. So right now, after earning up to like 5,000, you're going to convert that 5,000 points into Cashapp. So as you click on payouts down below here, as you click on payouts, here, it's going to show you payouts. If you have withdrawn before, you can click on history. It's going to show you how many times you've withdrawn and how many times you've withdrawn. Now on payouts, it is showing here PayPal. So PayPal is the mode of money transfer that you can use here, and for you to withdraw $5, it means you have to reach a maximum of 5,000 credits or 5,000 points. $10,000, you have to reach a maximum of 10,000 credits, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the last part now we're going to talk about is this one, settings. Let's talk about settings. What is it all about? Okay, so we're going to click on settings and see what is there. So on settings, that's where you find how it works, tour, help. So we're going to click on how it works so that at least you know a little bit about the things that you have to face, or the things that you have to come across as you work on this application. Okay, so it number one is you earn credits, number two is you cash out, and you enjoy your money. But it's not as simple as just earning credits, cashing out, and enjoying. You have to sweat. Now, how do you sweat? One, you have to watch videos and earn. You have to share videos and earn. You have to do service and earn. And you also have to invite others to this platform and earn. So we've talked about how to cash out. Your balance, if your balance reaches 5,000 credits, you can withdraw in form of cash, and that is $5. So that's how you make your payout. It's via PayPal. So you can enjoy your money whenever you want, for as long as you've worked for it. That is how you make money on Cashapp. For more information on other ways of making money online and other apps, you can go to the description below and check for links. And the best way of making money online in the description. If you find this valuable, you can subscribe to my channel.